Looking for some summer fun? Perfect for you, your friends, or the family.
Hi, I'm Cass from Team Visit Wagga Wagga. Come with me to the Wagga Wagga RSL Club where the good times roll.
We're stepping outside the club today for a game of barefoot bowls. This fun, social game is the perfect way to unwind on a sunny afternoon in Wagga Wagga. You can keep score, or not. You can play on the same side or against one another. Show off your skills, or, for the rookies, work on perfecting that perfect bowl. You choose the level of fun. During summer, the good times really roll here with the outdoor pop-up bar open and live gigs on the deck, creating a fun atmosphere you won't forget. Worked up an appetite from all that bowling? Head inside the club for a delicious meal and a cool drink. Take your pick from the on-site Chinese restaurant or the bistro serving up bites and larger meals. There's also the ever-popular and always tasty wood-fire pizzas. You can dine inside in the air-conditioned comfort or choose to pull up a seat on the deck overlooking the bowling greens. Perhaps you can pick up some of the bowling skills from the players below. If you're looking for the well-rounded place to visit with something for everyone, entertainment, food, great service and location, then add the Wagga Wagga RSL Club to your itinerary when you visit Wagga. To discover more great attractions when you pay our Wagga Wagga and surrounds region a visit, hit the link in our bio or head to visitwagga.com.